Hey everybody. So we have a couple of wieners, those extra long wieners from Costco brand. And we have 2 Cornish hens that's perfectly seasoned with chili powder, salt, pepper, a little accent, and a little lemon juice. So I'm gonna put these on the grill. But I haven't quite figured out if I want to put these directly on the grill, you know, spray them with a little oil and put them directly on the grill, or first wrap them in foil paper and let them cook and then take them out of the foil and then let it crisp up on the grill. I'm trying to figure out which method I want to do, which one is going to taste best. One way it comes out more crispy if it's just on the grill 100%, I think. And then the other way, it'll be really tender and cooked with the grill taste, but it won't have the crispy crunch that I like. So anyway,